Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews.
Today, we have a real treat for all you audiophiles out there. The Klipsch Heritage Wireless the 1-2 Tabletop Stereo in Walnut. This is, without a doubt, one of the best Bluetooth speakers in the market for those who demand top-notch audio quality. In this 10-minute video, we'll dive deep into what makes this speaker a standout choice, from its design to its incredible sound performance.
So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about design.
The Klipsch Heritage Wireless the 1-2 boasts a timeless mid-century modern design. It's a blend of luxury materials, featuring real wood veneer and tactile switches and knobs. Just take a look at this walnut finish, it's a work of art.
But this speaker isn't just about looks, it's built to last.
It's crafted with precision, delivering both style and durability. The metal accents add that extra touch of sophistication. Now, let's get into what really matters, the sound quality.
The Klipsch Heritage Wireless the 1-2 doesn't disappoint when it comes to audio performance.
It's known for its legendary, detailed, and dynamic sound, exactly what you'd expect from a Klipsch product.
And now, for a little demonstration.
Listen to the clarity, the precision of the mids, and the powerful bass. This speaker delivers concert-level sound to any room in your home. Speaking of versatility, this tabletop stereo system is small and portable, making it perfect for any room in your house. It measures just over a foot wide, just over 6 inches tall, and a little over 5 inches deep.
Connecting your devices is a breeze with Bluetooth 4.0 wireless technology. Plus, there's a 3.5mm analog input for other audio sources, so you can enjoy your music, no matter the format.
But what really sets this speaker apart is the sense of nostalgia it brings. It's reminiscent of those classic radios from the past, combining the best of both worlds. Vintage aesthetics with modern technology.
Let's not forget about convenience.
The Klipsch Heritage Wireless the 1-2 is designed for indoor use, so it's perfect for creating your own concert hall experience right at home. In conclusion, if you're an audiophile who values both style and substance, the Klipsch Heritage Wireless the 1-2 Tabletop Stereo in Walnut is your perfect choice. With its exceptional sound quality, elegant design, and versatility, it's truly the best Bluetooth speaker for music enthusiasts.
And that wraps up our review of this remarkable speaker. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.